Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode problem number 9, palindrome number in JavaScript code. Before we solve the problem, subscribe to my channel and for solution follow me on GitHub TINU GALA. There will be LeetCode question and answer repo. Let's decode it. What is actually palindrome number? We are going to understand it by three examples. In first example, if we have got the input as 1 to 1, if we reverse this number from left to right and from right to left, we should get the same input number as an output as a reverse string. If we get that, it is an palindrome number. In this case, 1 to 1 is an palindrome number. In example number 2, we have given the negative number, that is minus 1 to 1. If we reverse it, it will become 1 to 1 minus. It is giving right answer when reading right to left, but if we read from left to right, it is giving false. That is why it is not a palindrome number. To solve this problem, we are going to use an variable and a function with a parameter of x. In the if condition, we are going to simply check if the number in the input is positive or negative. If it is negative, we will simply return it as false. Then we are going to use an let variable for actually getting the reverse number from the for loop. We are using this for loop to get the reverse number, and we are going to check if the reverse number is actually same as the input. If it is same, we got the palindrome number. The time complexity is O of n and the space complexity is O of 1. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.